destination, no endless line of flight. But look at our redbirds, airborne in their might. Sing out, mighty redbirds, raise your colors high. The Cardinals fly here in Bush to bring a pen into our sky. Soar out, mighty redbirds, sing your winning song. It's time for you to return to flight. You've nested for too long. Come on, everybody, fly, Cardinals, fly. Sing out, mighty redbirds, raise your colors high. The Cardinals fly here in Bush to bring a pen into our sky. Soar out, mighty redbirds, sing your winning song. It's time for you to return to flight. You've nested for too long.
Has any team in our division ever shown as much? Name another in the league that can match our winning touch. Who else ever had as many stars as we can name? Is there any other town that can fill a Hall of Fame?
Sing out, mighty redbirds, raise your colors high. The Cardinals fly here in Bush to bring a pen into our sky. Soar out, mighty redbirds, sing your winning song. It's time for you to return to flight. You've nested for too long.
Marion, Moore, and Martin, Medwick, Boyer, White, Mize, Slaughter, and our Red have shown that Cardinal fight. Alberto's Gas House Gang, champions we've seen, all rich in legend, like Hornsby, Frisch, and Dean. We've had our proud history, writing records and sporting pages. Stan the Man and good old Pete will last throughout the ages.
Sing out, mighty redbirds.